This is the home screen of the application. This is a manga application with a lot of anime, manga, picture based. It's crazy, guys. And it has pretty much a lot of things which you can read. Here you have solar leveling, which is very popular amongst most people, as you can see here. And it has pretty much everything, as you can see. So very popular anime. You have a lot of them, as you have the counter attack one here as well, a lot of which you can pretty much read, and you pretty much have a visual as it relates to this as well, as you can see here. So very good application as it relates to you reading anime, mangas, and pretty much everything as it relates to that. Here you have the action figure section and fantasy section. Here you can scroll and look for what you want as well. You have a lot of them which you can read. And down here you have some different section as it relates to that as well. You have the romance section, you have the action section which you can look at as well. You have the fantasy section, and as well you can search at the top here and pretty much search for what you want. And as you can see here, you can pretty much see the trending ones are pretty much the ones that are trending. So that's really pretty much it for that. There, down here you have the abilities to select what's the hottest or what's trending, or as you can see here you have the best rated one as well. You can pretty much see here. And to get your subscription as it relates to this, you pretty much tap on the premium option here and be able to get your subscription. Here be able to get 6 gems per every month. You do get free comics every week and so forth. So that's really pretty much it. And you get some other exclusive active access to other top anime things that you can, anime books or whatever you can read here. You can see a lot of options which you can choose from. And in the library section, this is pretty much where you see your subscription as it relates to that, and also all the books that you have read, and also the ones that you have downloaded as well. So if I do tap on the solar leveling option here, you can tap on it. Pretty much go ahead and read it. As you can see here, this is pretty much the first chapter, and I pretty much can go ahead and scroll and pretty much read it as it is. So this is a very popular movie as well, anime movie as well. So that's really pretty much it for that. There in the more section, nothing much. This is a section where you can go ahead and purchase gems. As you can see, you can tap on the top up option here to get gems or purchase gems separately from the subscription. So the subscription only gets access to certain books and free comics, and as well do give you gems as well. But if those gems are finished, you may need to purchase more gems without purchasing any subscription, which is this year, which is the premium subscription. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and we'll see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.